This is the Fire Grill. This all started when we realized there wasn't anything on the market that checked these 3 boxes: durable, portable, and versatile. So we decided to do it ourselves. Let's do it ourselves.
Let's do it ourselves.
Yeah, let's do it ourselves.
Let's do it ourselves.
So we formed the A-team of the live fire cooking world and took matters into our own hands.
Let's make this our go-to live fire grill.
Let's figure out how to manage fuel and ash better.
We 1000% want a Santa Maria attachment.
A cordless rotisserie could open up a whole new world.
What about a better way to do skewers? Wait, can we really make a grill that can do all that?
Yeah. We already did. We not only built a grill that will be the centerpiece of your backyard, but one that will fold down to the size of a Yeti cooler, and you can take it camping, tailgating, to the beach, virtually anywhere.
Our patent-pending fire grill is built durably tough, and it's something that you'll be proud to cook on with your friends and family.
It's got everything you expect from a top-tier grill. The modular fire grate system helps you manage your charcoal with precision. Same's true with the tri-flow vent system and the removable ash pan reservoir. But it's got so much more. We wanted this fire grill to be outrageously fun to cook on, and we wanted accessories to be key.
Accessories like our Santa Maria attachment let you raise and lower the grates for ultimate temperature control.
Our battery-powered rotisserie lets you slow roast whole chickens, loins, legs, all on the go.
Or our fire skewer set, which allows you to easily lock in each rotation for 360-degree grilling perfection.
These attachments are just the beginning, and we can't wait to show you what else is in the works.
Guys, check this out. Oh,
Dang, dude. Oh my gosh.
While this isn't our first rodeo, we've taken all the necessary steps to make sure our first grill concept is very well received, including partnering with Atlas PMG, the leader in barbecue grill engineering and manufacturing.
Over the last 60 months, we have used and abused a ton of engineering prototypes. Tooling is already underway, and we're ready to roll into production. Great things are forged by fire.
And you can be one of the first to receive a fire grill by reserving yours today.
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 Just do it.
Today.
I'll tell you who took those luncheons. That damn Sasquatch.